Welcome. In today's video, you'll learn how to enable auto-delete messages on Telegram and keep your chats clean, private, and clutter-free. Whether you're using Telegram on your phone, tablet, or desktop, the process is quick and simple. Let's dive right in. First, open the Telegram app. Once you're on the main screen, tap the three lines at the top left corner. That's the menu icon. This is where all your account settings and privacy controls are found. Next, tap on Settings. You'll see several options, but for today, we're heading to the section called Privacy and Security. This is where Telegram keeps all its privacy tools from two-step verification to secret chats and message timers. Now, scroll down until you find the feature called Auto Delete Messages. Tap on it. You'll see that Telegram gives you the option to set a specific time period for your messages to automatically disappear after being read. You can choose a time frame that suits you best. It could be after 24 hours, 7 days, or even a custom duration depending on what you prefer. This feature is especially useful if you want to keep your conversations tidy or maintain a higher level of privacy without having to manually delete messages all the time. Once you've picked the time period, tap Enable. Telegram will then apply your setting automatically, and your chats will start following the new auto-delete schedule from that moment on. You can revisit this setting anytime if you ever want to turn it off or change the duration. And that's it. You've just set up auto-delete messages on Telegram. It's a small tweak that makes a big difference in protecting your privacy and keeping your chat list organized. If you found this guide helpful, remember to share it with friends who might want to do the same. Thanks for watching.